Are we triple disrupt?
Yeah, I think we're triple spear.
Okay. Fire.
You have Scorpion, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, yeah, just I like watched your VOD like the other night. Just use that shit off cooldown.
Okay. All right, that helps.
Let's go. 1 minute left. Start your VODs.
45.
Like it don't matter really who you pull on the
Stay-
weak
I
side
mean, 1
fight
minute before the war,
because like
I am
whoever
not
you pull, we
responding.
should pretty much be able to blow up
Mhm.
because it's a 40% rend.
Yeah.
You want me to call it out on hit or on?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you can
yeah.
just like call it out, and then
Alright.
if it hits, like we'll turn and like try to blow that guy up.
Okay. I'll call it out
Let's
and
go.
I'll say if it hits.
Please come to me if you have a whisper. Like, tell me what's going on. Anything is helpful. Like, my comms are just dead from whispers. Please just say anything helpful. But don't clutter my comms. Thanks, bro.
Alright, boys.
Let's
Alright,
go.
let's
Let's go. Push out strong. Push out strong. Heavy left side as per usual.
What are these guys doing? Okay.
You should
Yeah.
Jackson Sealer.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Push up strong on this left side. Push up strong on this left
No, it's a
side.
fire staff.
I'm gonna
Monster.
I'm gonna hit
I got
Keisha though.
one. I got one
Come
schizo
on,
on me.
Keisha.
Hard on
I
this
got
left
3.
side. Quad
I'm on their
your
healer right
team,
now.
get this
I'm
left
on.
side. Bring
Keisha's one shot.
They have no healer right now.
Sacred on you guys. Sacred's on you. I'm moving to my sacred on yellow ping.
Yeah, I see it.
Sacred's left side. Sacred's left side.
I'm
Sacred's
just
left
aping
side.
their fucking healer right now.
Clapping.
Sacred's our left side.
Yeah, keep aping the here. I'm gonna
I'm playing in sacred.
Pointing
Yeah.
force top left.
Healer swept, top right.
I'm on healer.
Response now.
Jeff.
Sacred's going on my
Left
feet.
side is so heavy. Right side, bring it closer. It's so free to step.
Clapping now. Clapping now.
Keep doing what you guys are doing. Keep doing what you guys are
10
doing.
seconds.
I'm gonna pop my cleanse.
Healer's half health, top right.
5, 4,
Goblin's knocked down.
That's sacred already.
Alright.
Top left.
1.
3.
Response now.
Sacred's going on my feet. Stroy.
Try to feel for Stroy. Try to feel for
Yeah,
Stroy.
yeah,
Feel for
back
Stroy.
away.
I'm getting Stroy now.
Nice,
I'm hitting Keisha. I'm hitting Keisha.
I'm playing in sacred. I'm playing in sacred by the tree.
10 seconds.
Keisha's full rended. Keisha's full rended.
Keisha.
There are deading top. There are deading top.
5,
Clapping.
I'm
Four.
feeling a little bit.
3, 2.
I'm hitting their healer. I'm hitting their
One.
healer. Vega.
Response now.
Bring it closer. Bring
Keisha,
it
half
closer.
health.
We're winning, we're winning.
1 HP,
I need
Keisha.
more. I need more.
Come, Keisha.
Keisha,
Sacred's on me.
stay
Sacred's on me on the
Wide,
tree.
wide.
Sacred's on me on the tree.
They have no nuts. Full needs a heal. Full
Keisha
needs
dead,
Nice,
Keisha dead.
Vega's
Keisha
knocked
dead.
down
10
here.
Look at healer,
seconds.
look at healer, look at healer.
There's 3
No
people on
pause. No
Kino.
pause.
I'm good.
Jeff.
5,
No.
4.
I'm looking. I'm feeling for a sec. You guys keep
Okay.
on him.
I'm just gonna run the tree.
Response now.
They have no heals right now.
Pointing for stop. If you are
Clapping.
bottom, you are trolling.
He dropped sacred.
I need our bottom quad.
Healers,
bottom,
1 HP.
14 slays
He's
top,
Brendan.
top quads. Bring
10
it mid
seconds.
Sacred's going on me.
Yeah, you're good. I'm just gonna hit this guy on you.
We're gonna look.
Yeah,
We're gonna
careful,
look.
careful.
I got you.
I'm stunning for you.
3, 2.
Push healer. Jeff
One.
hit.
Clapping.
Stormed him.
Crush this point. Crush this point. Crush this point.
Healer no evade.
Healer 1.
Brendan.
Healer
Sacred's going on my feet
Healer
again.
dead, healer dead, healer dead.
All right, now
Sacred's on
focus
my
lights.
feet.
Focus
Gablin,
lights.
Gablin,
Hit
Gablin,
Goblin.
I'm
Hit
good. I'm
Goblins
good.
first. Hit Goblins
I am
first.
good.
Okay, good. Now stop free space.
Keep
stop
hitting
free
Goblin,
space.
Goblin,
We got this,
Goblin,
we got
Goblin.
this. Stop free space.
5,
Good. Now Keisha.
Four.
Keisha.
3, 2.
I'm still good.
Stroy,
I'm
help
trying to
Stroy.
get you against Stroy.
Response
I'm
now.
stunning for you.
Hold. Get your deados. Hold.
This guy is just so annoying.
I'm hitting Keisha. I'm hitting Keisha.
I'm feeling easy. You guys keep the
There are
AC.
crashing top
Keisha.
right. We're gonna look.
All right,
closer.
bring it
10
closer. Bring it closer. Bring it closer.
Alright.
It's like
Alright.
70%.
On this next
Hit
tree,
healers in the road. Hit healers in the road.
75%.
I'm hitting Kevin Durant. I'm hitting Kevin Durant.
5, 4.
On this next one, we're gonna
Three.
look top
Stroke.
left. 3.
Bathtub Barcuda, healer
One.
half health.
One.
Top right.
Crush point.
I'm gonna put Sacred on my feet. I'm just gonna kite these
Neo
guys.
attack. Low.
I see it. I'm hitting him.
Start stepping in.
I'm dead. I just got blown up.
10
Solo
Solo
seconds.
fucking
Keisha's low.
bio.
Keisha's low.
Keisha dead.
Play life. 5 seconds.
I'm
5,
hitting Goblin. He's knocked
Four.
down.
We got point.
3 seconds.
Just go.
1.
We gotta push.
Response
Oh,
now.
he's going
I'm
by.
gonna
Yo, hit
respawn B, I'm gonna
Howl's going. Hit
respawn
Howl's
B.
going on his way out. There's like grief people here. Like don't let him rotate really. Look at this Casey guy. He's stuck in an ice wall. He's a healer too.
Sacred's going on you, Stroy.
10
He's
seconds.
slowed. He's slowed.
They want to fight
He's got
period.
no stam.
Vines.
He's
5,
knocked down.
4, 3.
Just keep. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Clapping.
Troy?
I'm
One.
good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
we're
good.
good.
I'm just hitting this guy. Keep hitting him. Boom. Look at Keisha. Turn around. Look at Keisha. He's knocked down.
10 seconds.
Brendan.
Stop right.
We're with you guys. Now.
Bolt. Oh.
5,
Look at Randolph.
Four.
Randolph. He's dead.
Alright, top right,
Alright, now look at. Go back up. Like top. Look at Keisha. Keisha and Goblin. Keisha and Goblin.
Keisha.
Yeah, Keisha.
Top right, we're gonna look top right. 3, 2,
Sacred's going on you guys. Their road. Seconds on yellow ping. Seconds on yellow ping.
10
Goblin's
seconds.
not
Stick
down
on
as
Keisha.
Clapping, clapping, clapping.
Yeah, look,
I'm looking at you, Stroy.
5, 4,
Nice, nice. Now
Three.
play your life for a second. Look at like Keisha,
One.
and one person hit the healer.
Response now.
One
I'm
person
hitting
hit
healer right now.
healer.
I'm hitting healer.
Okay, okay.
All right, uphill back.
I stunned
I
Keisha,
got
he's
you,
knocked
Stroy.
down.
Bring it closer, bring it closer.
Clapping. Seconds gonna go on me. Stroy on ramparts.
Yep.
Yellow ping.
10 seconds.
I think I might still go down though.
Alright,
Healer
alright,
swept,
we're good,
healer
we're
swept.
good.
Have
We
to
have
get out of
Five.
it.
Just
Four.
Healer full rented, half health, wider, deeper,
I'm killing for
deeper.
shred.
Healer's 1
One.
HP.
Yeah,
Response now.
we might have to peel for a second here.
Clapping.
Yeah, yeah, you're good.
I'm out of cleanses.
Their healer's 1 though. They have no healer right now. Like, I'm not letting you play the game.
Trying to get you.
I'm good, I'm playing my life, you're good.
I'm gonna put second here.
10 seconds.
Okay,
Dodge.
Clapping now.
okay.
5,
We're still farming that.
Four.
Drop shaker for Keisha.
We're stepping a little, we're gonna
Two.
post a clump soon.
1.
Their healer is still 1 HP. In a
Response now.
shower, deep. Stand.
Alright, we have that.
On the ground.
Odds playing her closer. We're gonna look
It's
for
the
crowds.
shoot.
Seconds going
shoot
on
for now.
Abra. Seconds on ping.
Bring it closer to the top. Bring it closer to the top.
He
10
just stabbed
seconds.
himself. Your ramparts.
Alright, we're
Feeling
going
for
top
straight.
right. 3, 2, 1.
I'm hitting
Everybody bring it in,
Keisha.
crush top right.
Four.
Everybody bring it in,
Signaling
crush
Three.
top right.
Stroy.
2, 1. Response now.
Nice, 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 nice. Now decouple,
Next set of
push to the
spawns
left
in
side,
five,
decouple, push left side.
four,
Seconds going on Stroy.
3,
Bottom
Two.
ramparts. Yellow ping.
1.
Yep.
Response
here,
now.
I'm peeling.
I'm just
Spawns are
aping
now.
Keisha the whole time.
See ya.
Play your quads. Force people off the point. Force
We're
people
good
off
over
the
here.
point with your quads. Play with your groups. Play with your groups.
20 seconds.
He's knocked down, Keisha dies, Keisha dies, Keisha dies.
Rendered.
Popping my
Good job, good job,
response.
good job.
Keep playing your quads.
Alright, now we can AP healer or like look for like goblin.
Healer swept, healer swept, healer
Step
swept.
right side.
Half
We can
health.
all die about left. We're gonna look left side and with anything you have. No death, no death.
Alright.
Five.
Left side
I'm here,
and-
Stroy.
Four.
I'm leaving, I'm
Turn
leaving.
Turn
for
to
goblin, turn for goblin.
Bring it
Bring
to
it
the lead stop point.
Alright,
Gavin.
Lead stop
Same,
point.
same,
Lead
same.
Response
stop
now.
point. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Oh fuck. Respawns are gonna drop on us, Stroy.
Next crash.
Here,
Backing all the way
I'm
up.
coming back. I'm peeling back. I'm
Save
peeling
an
back.
ability, save an
Alright,
ability.
I'm coming back.
over the
Peel
wall.
back, peel back for a second.
Healing
Just keep
myself.
aping healer, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm just gonna hit their
15
lights when they're
seconds.
trying to like push up and stuff. And then like we can have like one disruptive
Alright,
peel for the
I'm
lights.
just gonna respawn. We're
So
going
PV,
Ten
just do your best to peel, okay?
10 seconds. Bring it closer, bring it closer,
Yep.
bring it closer. Start stepping, start stepping.
5,
I'm just bringing this guy around, bro.
Three,
Two.
Chilling.
1.
bring it in. Look, top
Response
point,
now.
top point, top point, top
Please
point.
give
top
me
Healer,
that.
point.
healer can die here. Alright, play left, play
Clapping.
left.
Right side, in the right side, in the right side, in the right side.
Seconds
I'm
going
on-
on you guys.
I'm
Seconds
on
on you guys.
Vega, I'm on
Seconds
Vega,
on
I'm
you
on
guys.
Vega.
Look at Gablin, Gablin
They're all
behind.
crushing, they're all crushing. Declump, declump, declump. Nice,
15
Gablin half health,
seconds.
pushing back to rocks.
Play your space, play your quads.
Nice,
Force
he's
people out
gonna
of your
pump,
quads.
he's gonna pump.
Pump
I'm
up
feeling
the
easy, I'm
street.
10
feeling easy.
seconds.
I'm going
Go back to
straight.
healer.
I'm
I'm
at
at
straight guy hit.
Right side. We bring it to left.
Five,
bring it to left. On
four,
this respawn,
They're
we're gonna use
behind.
anything we
Three,
have on this right side.
2,
My bad,
Got
Stroy.
respawns,
One.
so it's okay.
Response now.
One. Look bottom, look bottom,
peeled-
look bottom left,
I
bottom
peeled
left,
easy.
bottom left,
Seconds
bottom
on
left,
me.
Scratch this, bottom left, bottom left.
Oh yeah, bring it closer to the road after in a second.
20 seconds.
Going back up. Go back to the road.
Nice, nice, nice.
I'm hitting
nice.
healers in the road, like
bring it,
Amity
bring it.
and
Healer's swept on the
Seconds.
ground. White P in the road. Healer's 1.
I'm good. I'm
Yeah,
good.
I
I'm
see, I
good.
see.
Okay, okay, okay.
He's dead, he's dead, he's dead. Alright,
10
fuck the lights, hit
It's
other
just one guy.
healers,
It's
hit
just
other
one guy.
healers.
It's just one guy.
20-75% hit other healers.
75.
Seconds on Stroy. Seconds on Stroy.
4,
Back on the rock.
Top right.
Hey, back up
Two.
Barracuda, back up Barracuda,
One.
back up Barracuda.
response
Good
now.
shit, good shit, good
Now
shit,
push
good
top,
shit,
push
good
top,
shit.
push. Push into like top
Keep
left, push
pushing,
into
keep
top
pushing.
left.
Get it at tuck point.
Look at
Yeah, yeah.
Casterix.
Castrix? Alright.
Good
I'm
shit,
like-
now
See,
declump.
Casper,
20
see, Casper.
seconds.
Kill these people on point, kill these people on point. They can all die, they can all die. Hollow gloom, hollow
Seconds
gloom.
going on.
15
Seconds on Paul.
seconds.
They're
Alright, everybody bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. We can all
Step, step, step,
bring it
step,
in,
step,
bring it in,
step,
Yeah, step, step, step.
coming,
10
coming, coming, coming.
seconds.
Everybody in, everybody in. Nice, nice.
Job,
This
good
is
job.
our gate, this is our gate, this is our gate.
Alright, I
5,
gotta get cleanses and shit.
3,
Waterfall
2,
this gate.
1. Response
on
now.
point.
20
Bottom
seconds.
right.
What gate are we, by the way?
Tragic is
This
This one, this one.
Right in
Eight,
the
eight,
middle.
eight.
15
We're just pretty much gonna
seconds.
chill outside and like see if they drop.
playing tragic.
10
Kill this like
seconds.
TC, let's kill the people on point that are just inting. Like Gators, Gad, and something.
5,
Don't worry about the
4,
leaders.
3, 2,
I'm just trying to
One.
find the buy.
Yeah, I'm trying to buy cleanses and shit.
Alright, I'm good. I'm good. I'm coming in the
Just
gate.
get down. Try and grab off top right if you got a nice to grab.
Coming back.
Flip, look at top right.
20 seconds.
I'm seeing my secret to the healers.
You want to clip, look top right. Feel free to grab.
Alright, if
Take
you
a
have
deep out
Scorpion
here,
here,
I'm
seconds.
I want you
Yeah.
to try to pull one of the lights off the wall.
Bring
Yeah.
closer to the gate.
People are falling. People are falling
I'm
on
looking
things.
at bathtub.
Yeah, yeah.
They're dropping off the right side of heavy. Just so you guys know.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Response
Just
now.
find like kill squad. Just hit kill
Yeah,
squads
there's
out
kills-
here.
Their entire 5-man on the right side.
Yeah.
Coming to y'all.
I'm on side, with you.
20 seconds.
Oh, my bad.
That
Seconds on you guys. Seconds on you. That's mine.
I'm gonna like vines are
15
here.
seconds.
They're all vines.
Perforating.
Split, split, split. Go to your gates. Go to your gates.
10
go to your
Try to get you now,
seconds.
Paul.
You're good. I'm chilling.
One CDs, one CDs, one CDs.
5, 4,
My bad.
2, 1. Response now.
Seconds on ping.
Start going to your gates.
20
Are they
seconds.
already repeated?
Alright, do you have Scorpion up to try to pull?
No, I just tried using
15
it.
Okay.
Seconds on you know.
You're not ping.
10 seconds.
Yo, they're all knocked down a gate. They're all knocked down a gate.
Instructor's looking
I have
at
mine.
5,
Don't let him in for
4,
Yo, look at this
Scorpion.
Seconds
Sicario
left
guy.
side. Seconds left side on you
1.
guys.
Look at
Respawn
Sicario.
now.
Yeah, see him.
Alright, thank you. Horns are down. Horns are down. Our horns down C. Make sure you get the horns down
No
inside.
way that guy makes
inside.
it back
20
alive.
seconds.
Alright, can you pull a light up top or no?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, try to pull one of the lights. Let us know which one you were trying to pull though.
Looking for the right side.
Yeah, alright, look at right side. Get ready for right
10
side, guys.
seconds.
Get your deads
Pull.
up. Get your
No.
ults up.
Yeah, I need to try. It's a good try.
They're
God
going to
damn
drop
it.
D.
5,
They're dropping
So always
D.
keep trying to do that when we're here.
2, 1. Respawns now.
Alright. Before on this
5 seconds on the pull.
Yeah, everybody.
fucking
no,
repeater,
not
what is
everybody.
that?
All
20
fire fatties,
seconds.
All fire fatties.
Seconds
come
on
to B,
gate.
All fire fatties come to B. Come to B. Come to B. All fire fatties come to B.
15
Anybody who
seconds.
drops,
I'm gonna
I
pull
want
someone
you
on the right.
to just
Yeah.
burn them.
10
got
Oh,
him.
you got
seconds.
him. Hit him.
And on this respawn, we're gonna start.
Do not let this guy in. Do not let this guy
We
in.
had you guys.
Good job, good job.
3,
Alright,
2.
now start pushing. Start
Alright, I'm
One.
pushing in. I'm
Back
pushing in. I'm
my
pushing
stone,
in.
That's tragic. Getting up and
Next set of
Yo, look at
spawns
this healer.
with 5,
Half,
Three.
Beer fong or something. It's like right on you.
One.
Right
yeah,
on
see
you.
him, stand.
Spawns
Where you guys going?
35
I got one of the point healers. I got the point healer.
30
Daddy on ping on A shops.
Yeah, we're aping the healer right now. We're aping the healer right now. Sure, look at this healer. Look at this healer.
Hope, he's in help.
Good
20
job.
seconds.
Look at Emily and
Two more
David.
healers here. 2 more healers here. Look at David.
Play your quad stop.
15
Nah,
seconds.
he's out.
Look at Emily. Look at Emily.
We need sacred stop now. Sacred stop.
10 seconds.
She's going right side. She's knocked down. She's knocked down.
I'm on A shops right now.
I'm on
5,
Daddy. He's right on
4,
by some
Emily,
stuff.
Emily. Hell.
I'm looking hell.
Respawns
Top
now.
point. Crashes. No deaths. Top point.
Top
Top
right.
point. Nice.
30 cubes,
Nice.
right, top
30
right.
seconds.
We can win off this.
Spread fast.
I gotta
25.
sacred myself, bro. I'm just getting aped in
Sacred yourself. Sacred yourself. Like you living is more
I'm good.
important.
I'm good. They're all dying.
Keep picking this point.
Sicario,
Look for healers.
healer.
Look for healers.
15
A shops,
seconds.
there's 3 of them.
I'm
Panda.
coming.
I'm on Panda, A
Wait
shops.
for the crash. Wait for
A
the
shops.
crash.
I see him.
10
Daddy's on A
seconds.
shops.
I see daddy.
Daddy's on A shops, 3 point healer.
Just wait. Keep tucking.
5,
See daddy?
4,
Perforated.
Alright, everybody's gonna step on this side.
Get ready to step.
Oh, Daddy,
Kill him.
point
Daddy,
points
no.
at
Kill daddy.
Everybody on. Everybody on. We win. Everybody on.
Daddy's
Win,
there.
win.
Get on.
Get on.
30 seconds.
Top up.
Good job.
Good shit, boys.
Fucking easy. Thank you. Holy shit.
I'll get better gear next
My
time.
bruisers didn't. That was the gates. Holy shit. Yo, good shit.
It's so
Good shit,
good to
everybody.
bad though.
Everybody put in hard work on the reviews. Good shit.
Too easy.
Thank you, Lit. I'm
You're
on Val.
welcome.
I'll be on Val in like 10 minutes.
Good heals, easy.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm gonna go
those
read to the
dudes-
kid. Good night, guys. Good job.
GG's. Good job, guys.
Yeah, GG's.